Welcome back to Apple Insider. Now, we know we usually talk Apple, but today we're taking a look at something a bit different. The upcoming Infinix Note 60 Pro, a device that's stirring up serious buzz for 2026, and for good reason. Let's talk design first. Early renders and leaks show a sleek, ultra-modern device, rumored to have a curved AMOLED display, possibly pushing a 144Hz refresh rate. Bezels, nearly non-existent. The punch-hole camera cutout might be moving under the display completely this time, a bold move that aligns with the 2026 trend toward truly all-screen phones. Internally, it looks like Infinix is finally stepping up with a custom chip developed in partnership with MediaTek, possibly the Dimensity 9200 Plus Ultra. This would mean flagship performance, finally putting Infinix shoulder to shoulder with the likes of Samsung and OnePlus in the upper mid-tier. AI optimization is a big buzzword around this model, with machine learning expected to boost battery life, camera performance, and multitasking. Now let's talk battery. Infinix has been pushing boundaries in this department, and the Note 60 Pro might feature a 6000 mAh cell with 180W Thunder Charge and, get this, 50W wireless charging. That's faster wireless charging than most flagships offer wired. And yes, reverse charging will be there too. Camera-wise, we're looking at a triple-lens setup led by a 200-megapixel Samsung ISO-CELL sensor, with a dedicated periscope telephoto and ultrawide. Infinix is also promising major leaps in low-light performance and computational photography, including a dedicated night video mode powered by their XAI Engine 2.0. Software. It'll ship with XOS based on Android 15, but expect something heavily customized, possibly with a new desktop mode to compete with Samsung DeX. There are rumors of deep integration with cloud gaming platforms too, possibly Nvidia GeForce Now and Xbox Cloud. Now I know a lot of you are wondering, how does this compare to the iPhone? Well, the Infinix Note 60 Pro clearly isn't trying to be an iPhone killer. It's carving out its own lane. High-spec, ultra-fast Android device at a price that undercuts most premium phones. If Infinix nails the execution and delivers this under $500, we could be looking at the most disruptive mid-range phone of the year. That's it for this quick breakdown. If you want us to do a deep comparison with the iPhone 16 series when the Note 60 Pro drops, let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tech breakdowns and comparisons, even beyond the Apple ecosystem. Catch you in the next one.